Are you constantly reheating your coffee or tea because it gets cold too fast? What if every single sip could be perfectly warm from start to finish? That's exactly what the MEION Coffee Mug Warmer promises, and it truly delivers. First, you'll love its smart gravity sensor. You don't have to worry about turning it off or on. It senses your cup, keeping your drink warm only when you need it and safely shutting off when you lift it. So convenient. Then imagine choosing your ideal warmth from 131 degrees F to a piping hot 185 degrees F and setting a timer for up to 12 hours. No more guessing, just perfectly warm drinks on your schedule. Finally, this isn't just any warmer. Its upgraded fast heating chip gets your drink warm quickly, and the robust form crack-resistant tempered glass plate means it's built to last and works with almost any flat-bottom mug you own. If you're ready to revolutionize your warm drink experience, the MEION Coffee Mug Warmer is an absolute game changer. I highly recommend it. Find the link in the description below to grab yours before prices change.